Dreaming of moving to Australia? Here's your complete 2025 guide to the Subclass 190 Skilled Nominated Visa, your pathway to permanent residency. What is Subclass 190 Visa? It's a permanent visa for skilled workers nominated by an Australian state or territory. It allows you and your family to live, work, and study in Australia indefinitely. Federal eligibility checklist. To qualify, make sure you meet these requirements. Your occupation must be on the skilled occupation list. Hold a positive skills assessment. Be under 45 years old at invitation. Have competent English or higher. Score at least 65 points on the test. Meet health and character standards. As of October 2025, here's how each state stands. Victoria. The Victoria Skilled Migration Program is open. The state has an interim allocation of 200 places for Subclass 190 and 180 for Subclass 491. You can now submit or update your ROI and EOI. Existing ROIs remain valid if no changes occurred. New South Wales. Opens officially in October 2025. Prepare your documents. ACT. Open and inviting through Canberra Matrix. Tasmania. Open with residence and employment commitments. South Australia. South Australia's state nomination program is open, with updated occupation lists and requirements. Applicants are encouraged to review the critical skills list for priority sectors. Tasmania. Tasmania continues to accept nominations for Subclass 190 and Subclass 491 visas. Applicants must meet the residence and employment commitments outlined on their migration website. Western Australia. Partially open, awaiting quota confirmation. Queensland. Preparing, accepting ROIs now. Northern Territory. Awaiting full federal allocation. Here's how to apply step by step. Check your occupation on the state list. Get a valid skills assessment. Complete an English test. Lodge your expression of interest, EOI, in Skill Select. Submit your ROI or state nomination when open. Receive your nomination and apply for Subclass 190. Complete health and police checks. After approval, meet your state residency commitment. Key tips for applicants: 120-135s. Start early. Skills assessments and English tests can take time. Focus on open states like Victoria, ACT, Tasmania, and South Australia. Keep your EOI and ROI updated to avoid missing invitation rounds. And always check official state migration websites for new updates. The 2025-26 program year is already active, with Victoria, ACT, Tasmania, and South Australia open. Now's the time to act. Prepare your documents, meet your eligibility, and secure your nomination early. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Australian migration updates. Apply now, stay updated. Like and subscribe bell.